Making your videos accessible can boost your search traffic by up to 21%. Some reports even show a 37% increase in organic traffic. It's not just a nice-to-have anymore. In 2025, it's a must. New laws like the European Accessibility Act have a hard deadline of June 28, 2025. This affects any business with customers in the EU, and not complying can lead to serious fines. For years, making videos accessible was a manual, expensive nightmare. But that's all changing. Artificial intelligence is no longer a buzzword. It's a practical tool. AI-powered captions, using automatic speech recognition, can now hit over 90% accuracy in good conditions. You just need to do a quick human review to catch any errors. Plus, many AI tools can translate your captions into dozens of languages, instantly taking your content global. And it's not just captions. AI is now generating audio descriptions for people who are blind or have low vision. The process is wild. AI analyzes the video to identify actions and scenes, writes a descriptive script, and then uses a surprisingly natural-sounding synthetic voice to narrate the visuals. The voices are so good now they don't sound robotic. So how do you start? It's simple. For all new videos, use the free auto-captioning on platforms like YouTube. Then take 15 minutes to review and edit them for accuracy. Once you have that clean caption file, post the text as a transcript on the same page as your video. This is an easy win for SEO and accessibility. Ultimately, this is about more than just compliance. It's about reaching a wider audience, improving your brand image, and making your content discoverable. It's smart business that makes the internet better for everyone.